अष्टवक्र में से एक नॉलेज शीट पढ़ते हैं। Spirituality honors the secret, and the honoring of the secret is called Shraddha. Shraddha means not knowing what it is, but being willing to know with love something that is unknown. जो unknown है, जो अपने को पता नहीं है, श्रद्धा, that is Shraddha. Loving the unknown is Shraddha. You love what you know, and that love can also turn into hatred. But your love for something you do not know cannot turn into hatred. How can you hate something which you do not know? But it is possible to love something which you do not know. That quality of love is called Shraddha. There is an old saying, Shraddhavan labhate janam. When there is Shraddha, knowledge dawns in you. तो गुरुदेव क्या कह रहे हैं कि जब अपने पास श्रद्धा होती है तो नॉलेज डॉन होता है। नॉलेज यानी पता चलता है, अपने इग्नोरेंस जो है वो निकल जाती है। Knowledge dawns as not just in the intellect, but as an experience. Experience से अपने को पता चलता है। And experience dawns in your whole self, in your whole body. A nuclear scientist may say that everything is quantum and vibrations, just energy. But when a saint says it's all energy, there is joy and bliss. Because a saint knows it as energy. A saint knows himself as energy on the experimental level. The dualities have never stopped. The ocean has never been without the waves. The waves come and go. The wind blows, and the waves rise according to their strength and disappear. हम जब समुद्र के किनारे जाते हैं, बैठते हैं वहां पे, समुद्र को देखते हैं, विशाल समुद्र हमारे सामने होता है। जो पीछे रहता है वो एकदम शांत होता है। शांत क्यों होता है? क्योंकि उसमें डेप्थ है। डेप्थ होने के कारण वो शांत हो जाता है। जो सरफेस लेवल पे है, वेव्स कहाँ पे होते हैं? सरफेस लेवल पे, क्योंकि वहां मिट्टी बहुत है वहां पे। ओके, सो सरफेस लेवल पे अपने को हमेशा क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, हमेशा हम पूछते रहेंगे कि हमारा ये प्रश्न उठेंगे सरफेस लेवल पे। जब हमारी श्रद्धा बहुत डीप हो जाती है, ओशन की तरह, तो वो साइलेंट हो जाता है। जब साइलेंट होते हैं तब इंटेलेक्ट काम करना बंद करते हैं, नॉलेज अंदर आ जाता है। So this is what he's trying to tell us in this chapter, Ashtavakra chapter. This is, I have just opened a random page. This is page number 205, honoring the secret. इसमें है, knowing this and also being aware that knowing what it happens is useless. you will attain peace. You will be able to drop the past. Do you know what makes you not to drop the past? Your mind, which wonders, why did something happen and why did you become so restless? You might have been doing something wrong. You have not left what happened, but are carrying it on, hooking it with the question why. Why is like a hook. A question mark is like a hook. Question mark. ये question mark है. It is like a hook. जब ये question mark आता है अपने जीवन में, तो ये हुक की तरह होता है. Why? It means you are hooked to the past. यानी हम अपने पास्ट को छोड़ नहीं सकते. हम उसको पकड़ के बैठे हैं. पास्ट को छोड़ना पड़ता है और प्रेजेंट के बारे में सोचना नहीं पड़ता. As simple as that. जय गुरुदेव.